When it comes to working with sunlight, there's basically two things we can do. We can either diffuse it or reflect it. And in this case, I am choosing to reflect it by bouncing it off of a large white bounce board and into my face. And I thought I would show you two most common ways we can use to bounce sunlight onto the face of a subject. In this case, I am doing what's called a sun wrap, where I am placing the bounce on the same side of the subject, me, as the sun. And it is creating a rim light and then bouncing off the white surface into my face as a key light. The other way of doing it is by doing what's called the sun sandwich, which I will switch to right now. And here we have the sun sandwich, which is basically the sun forming a rim light, and our bounce is now on this side of my face, helping to illuminate it. And as you can see, it kind of creates a sandwich type effect. It's easier than the sun wrap, but it doesn't look as natural or as pleasing in some cases as the sun wrap. Now, I prefer the sun wrap, but in a pinch, the sandwich can be a very effective and fast way to use the natural sunlight to your advantage. So remember, with the sun sandwich, we're placing it opposite the sun, while with the sun wrap, we are placing the bounce on the same side as the rim light that is being formed by the sun. Now, again, from my point of view, for the sun wrap, that's where the camera goes, that's where the bounce goes, and the sun is over my right shoulder, as you can tell from my shadow. For the sun sandwich, we just move the bounce from this side to the opposite. So, camera, my shadow, and the bounce.